Hi there, welcome to Poly English. My name is Teacher Kim. What about you? What is your name? You can say, my name is Collins. Okay, so hi Collins. It's nice to see you. It's nice. Okay, so before we start, Collins, can you see me? Yes, can you hear me? Okay, so our lesson for today is can only birds fly? Can you read it again, Collins? Can only birds fly? Okay, great job. Now, Collins, look at the picture. What do you see? I see an owl. Okay, great job. How about the next one? This is a firefly. Can you repeat? This is a firefly. Okay, Collins, good job. Next, now Collins, look at the picture. What animals do you know? Do you know this animal? Oh, a monkey. How about this one? A dog. Do you have dog in your house? Oh, yes. How about this one? What animal is this? A cat. And this one, a big animal. What animal is it, Collins? Elephant. Okay, can you repeat? Elephant. Okay. How about this one? A tiger. Are you scared of tiger? Yes, me too, Collins. How about this one with a long neck? Okay, it's a giraffe. Okay, how about this one? Tweet, 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 tweet. It can fly. A bird. And the last one, penguin. Okay, very good, Collins. Because of that, I have a surprise for you. A cupcake. Do you like it? Yes, I like it too. What will you say to teacher? Thank you, teacher. You're welcome, Collins. Okay, let us now proceed. Okay, look and say. You repeat after me, okay? Hi there. Are you a bird? Yes, I am an owl. Owls are birds. Now it's your turn, Collins. Please read. Hi there. Are you a bird? Yes, I am an owl. Owls are bird. Good job, Collins. Great job. For that, I have a star for you. Great job, Collins. Next, what do you see, Collins? An owl. Very good. How many owls do you see in the picture? There are one owl. Okay, very good. Can you say it again? Owl. Okay, next. Now, Collins, how many owls do you see in picture? Let's count. One, two. There are two owls. Can you read this? Owls. Okay, very good, Collins. You're fantastic. Next. Oh, there are so many owls in the picture. How many owls do you see? Okay, very good. There are four owls. Can you say this, Collins? Owls are birds. Again, owls are birds. Okay, good job, Collins. For that, I will give you an ice cream. Do you like ice cream? I like ice cream too, Collins. Okay, what will you say to teacher? Welcome, Collins. Now, Collins, can you drag the correct wings for the owl? Okay, let's find the owl's wings. Okay, is it this one? No. How about the second one? No. And the last one? Yes, you got the correct answer, Collins. Now, can you say owls have got wings? Again, owls have got wings. Okay, good job, Collins. For that, you have a star. Okay, next. Now, Collins, I have here a video clip. Okay, now we are done watching the video. Collins, can owls fly? Okay, say, owls can fly. Owls can fly. Okay, good job, Collins. For that, you are doing great. Yay. Next. Okay, look and read. Okay, let's look and read. Owls are birds. Owls are birds. Okay. Owls have got wings. Owls have got wings. And last one, owls can fly. Owls can fly. Good job, Collins. For that, you have a star. Yay! That's all for today, Collins. Did you learn something from Teacher Kim? Yes, I do. Good job, Collins. See you next time. Bye bye.